Hello and welcome to this very exciting video. It's very exciting for me at least because as I am filming it is a secret, but by the time that this video comes out it will no longer be a secret because right now I am making a holiday gift for my boyfriend. So at the beginning of this year, 2023, I built my very first keyboard. And at the time, my boyfriend made a comment about how, oh, that looks really cool. I would love one. And I told him all year, I said, just tell me what kind of like sound you want and I will build it for you, you know? And he never told me, but I know what kind of sound he wants. And I've also done some investigative, I would say journalism, but it's not really. But I've done some investigations to really hone down like what exactly he loves, and I've been sneaky about it, and I'm very proud of myself for this. So to set the scene of how this has all been going down so far, I am a full-time programmer. So my work keyboard is pretty important to me, and I would like it to be more than just the generic Dell keyboard. And so I was like, you know what, I am going to build myself a budget keyboard because I don't want to spend a whole lot. I spend $250 on my current just like everyday one, and I was like, I can't do that, you know, I just don't want to spend that much. So I'm gonna build a budget one. I've already ordered those pieces for the budget one and researched it and everything. There will be a video of that coming out pretty soon. And I let my boyfriend know this. I said, I'm going to do it. I'm just going to build a budget one, you know, so I'm going to do all this research on like what I want and stuff. And so in that, I was playing keyboard videos of not switches that I wanted because I like creamy thocky. Those are the two that I really like. He likes Clicky. He likes Clicky a lot. So I was playing Clicky ASMR videos to figure out which switches I wanted. And, you know, I throw something up on the TV and he's bound to watch it. So I threw up a YouTube video on the TV and I was like, ooh, I really like this sound. And he would be like, yeah, that one's really good. I like that one. And I know kind of what he wanted, but it helped hone it down to like exactly the switches that he really liked the sound of. The real issue was actually the keyboard base, because he has a full-size keyboard right now. And he has said, I don't really want that. I kind of want something a little bit smaller so I have more desk space. But I wasn't sure if he wanted like the 10 keyless ones or like a full compact keyboard. And after some sly, I don't know how, and maybe he did. Maybe he does know. I don't know how he didn't, because I was like, oh my gosh, on my work Slack channels, they started getting into debate about keyboards because somebody posted a keyboard and they were really showing off their 3D prints, which is true. Somebody did post that. So I had pictorial evidence if I needed it, but I didn't. And I was like, then the whole comments, you know, they were talking about the keyboard and like, oh my God, I can't believe you use this type, to kind of gauge where he was at and if he felt like he needed the insert, delete, end buttons, the arrow keys and stuff. And I had him weigh in on that sort of, you know, argument that was completely made up and in my head. I was so worried that that would tip him off. But as of right now, it is December 8th. I don't think he knows at all. And we'll get into it even further of why I think that. But from that, I think that he wants a full compact. So that's what I got him. And if I give it to him and he wanted a bigger one, like the 10 keyless, then I already bought that for myself and I'm willing to swap that with him. So I have some backups. I'm ready for some stuff. But he said that he would really just want just the keyboard, just the compact, you know, the the regular QWERTY, the numbers on top. That's it. So that's what I got him. Finally, the last thing is the keycaps. Those I hope he likes. He's very much into space and stuff, so I got him a galaxy set, and those actually came in first. And here's a video of them coming in. Luckily, he was asleep, so I didn't have to sneak around for anything. Here's the first thing to arrive. I'm sorry I'm being a little bit quiet. He's asleep. I literally could be yelling though and he wouldn't even hear me. But to be careful. Oh, they look so good. He loves like space and stuff, so I got him this like galaxy set of keycaps. I think they look so good. I think you'll like them.
can't wait to get the rest.
But then, even though I ordered my budget keyboard items first, they came in last. They haven't come in yet. They're not here still. But I have his stuff. It's all here. It's all ready. That's why we're filming this today. And so here are some videos of those arriving. And yeah, it was a ride. I was very nervous.
The final components are here. Got the baseboard, the switches. Now just need to put it all together. Also, absolutely wild, because he is in the house right now. He's already seen all of this. Because I bought a keyboard for me, so he knew keyboard stuff was coming, and so he asked, oh, what's in the box? And I just said, oh, my keyboard. And I came upstairs to put it away, and he was like, oh, aren't you going to show me what the switches sound like? And I was like, yeah, it'd be really weird if I didn't do that. So I went ahead and did it, and luckily, he was like, oh, those sound so good. He was like, I would really love those. I was like, thank God, because they're for you. I guess also while we're here, I'm so glad he didn't ask, why are they so clicky? I thought you liked more thocky and creamy ones. I would have said, oh, it just sounds different when it's in there and with the keys and everything. But he likes clicky, so.
And now with all that explained and why I am so excited in the moment, let's get on to building this keyboard. So first off, starting off with the bare bones keyboard, it is a Redragon Draconic Pro. And I'll have all the links in the description as well. But I really like how it looks. It's nice and thin. Also, it can be wireless. So it has this dongle with it that you can plug in, and you can do it wireless or wired. So it has these options on the side, which you can't really see, but I thought that that was really handy. I think that he'll probably use it wired, I would assume, but I thought that was handy, you know, to have one less wire if you want it. And now the keycaps. Nothing too fancy or like crazy, but I think that they're really cool and not cutesy. I was very close to getting cutesy astronauty ones. I don't think he would have liked them, but they were very cute. So we settled with this like galaxy look. And then finally, the main component. I hope I say this right. They are Kailh Jade switches. And they are very clicky. So I will shut up and let you listen. He really likes the clicky sounds. I know that was his big thing when I built mine. He was like, that's not a very cool sound. And so that's also a good reason that I knew he likes click. He likes the clicks. So I think he's really going to enjoy these. And he did watch a video where somebody was using these and he really liked them. So this is what we have. These are our components. And now it is time to throw it all together. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video and that build. make sure to watch out for my budget build that is coming soon-ish. And then also, next week after this video, there will be an full ASMR video of just this keyboard that I built. So if you want to listen to it even further, there will be more of that. And of course, lastly, if you have any questions, make sure to look in the description for all of this stuff I used. And then you can also ask me in the comment section as well. I will see you guys next time.